Doing good, I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use one of the best B2B sales CRM, as I will be showing you how to use Prospect CRM as a beginner. Now to get started, we can use their free trial period to test out their platform and see if we like the features. They offer a 14-day free trial period, and all you'll need to get started is your email address. So once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And what does your business primarily sell? You can select whether it is digital products, physical products, services, or third-party logistics. For this example, I'm going to be selecting digital products. Then we are going to tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you can select what are your goals with the Prospect CRM. Would you like to increase your average order value, increase order frequency, maximize customer retention, or so on? You can select more than one. Then you will tap on next. After you have tapped on next, if you have ever used any one of these platforms, you can quickly select them and you will be able to integrate them. You can also tap on show all integrations and you can see numerous platforms that you can quickly integrate. Once you have selected one of these platforms, you'll be able to tap on next. So I'm going to select other. Then from here, I'm just going to type in, for example, I'm just going to type in test. Then I'll tap on finish. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. And at the moment, this is how your dashboard looks. And for a quick setup, you could go over to the top right hand corner and tap on create. After tapping on create, from here, you'll be able to set up your first company by tapping on company. You could enter the company name. You can also enter the company type, whether it is a competitor, customer, lapsed, or any one of these options. Let's say it is a prospect. Then after doing that, you could enter their website or phone number, then tap on create. It is as easy as that to create your first company, as you can see right here. You can also edit their address and contact information, and you can also tap on opportunities, and from there you will be able to set up their opportunity or better the opportunity description. You can tap on create once more in the top right hand corner, and from there you'll be able to add business contact, B2C contact, inquiry, report, or so on. This is just a quick mode to create any one of these options. And if we were to go over to the left hand menu option, tap on people and places, again you will be able to add companies. You can add contacts by tapping on contacts. You can either choose to add contacts manually or you can choose to upload contacts. All you need to do is tap on the plus right here and you can choose to either upload them or you can add them manually. You can go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you'll be able to add the products and services that you offer. So by tapping on products and services, I could tap on items. After you have tapped on items, you can see some sample items right here. So we can tap on, for example, item A. And you can see a sample item right here. And this is how it would look. So you can create your items right there. You can also tap on marketing, and from here you'll be able to monitor or create your first campaign. To create a campaign, you'll go over to the top right hand corner, tap on the plus. Then from here, you'll be able to create your first campaign. You can add a description, you can add who it is managed by, the total budget, and the start and end date, then tap on create. To view a sample campaign, we could tap on this one right here, and you can see how it looks at the moment. You can also tap on inquiries, and from here you will be able to view inquiries, and you will be able to also create an inquiry by tapping on the plus in the top right hand corner. You can create your first inquiry. You can also create your first form by tapping on forms. You can tap on the plus in the top right hand corner once more, and you will be able to create a form. So it is as easy as that. And when it comes on to sales, you can tap on sales from the left hand menu option, And from here you'll be able to create opportunities by tapping on opportunities, then tap on the plus once more in the top right hand corner. You can create new opportunities right there. You can also create quotes and orders, and from here you can also view sample quotations. So let me tap on one of these sample quotes so you can see how it looks. So you can see how it looks right there. And with these sample quotes you can choose to share it. So if I were to tap on the share link, you could input a message, or you could copy the page link right here and you could share your quotation. You can also go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you can view the different services. So we could tap on problems search, and you could tap on the plus in the top right hand corner, and from there you could tap on new problem and you could add in a description and you could set up new problems. And that's basically it when it comes onto Prospect CRM and the different features or the different layouts. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to use Prospect 365 CRM.